The low-power foil resistor R2-105 is designed to work in electrical circuits of direct, alternate and impulse currents. This product is available in a number of popular sizes, from 0603 up to 2512, and offered in a wide range of resistances from 1 milliohm up to 1 ohm. Due to its design, the R2-105 resistor has high temperature and long-term resistance stability even for ultra-low resistance values, which allows it to be used as a current sensor for up to 45 amperes. Applications: damping circuits, current limiting circuits, overcurrent sensing and detection, current management for board battery management systems for DC-DC converters, traction inverters and acoustic systems. Main features: low values of TCR for low ohmic resistance, high power and high working current, low noise. The R2-105 resistor is packed in tape and is suitable for automated surface mounting using most types of soldering, including convection and vapor phase ovens. For detailed information about this product as well as other Erkon products, please visit our website, the product section.